Hello dear customers, thank you for buying our products. Today I'm going to show you how to use our meat slicer and how to assemble our products. Now you can see that we got one meat slicer, we got one scoop, and this part should be assembled this size. And now we put it back. We got one black, and this side should be facing up, and we put it back. We got two different sizes of plates, one fine, one coarse. Please find the one you want and put it right on the groove. And we got one cover. Twist the covers clockwise. And don't forget the handle. And now we finish our assembly. Please find the smooth edge of the kitchen counter and force the knot, push the knot forward to control the button suction, and the meat slicer will be screwed right on the table. In the next step, please cut the meat or the vegetables small and put it right on the holder. Turn on the handle, the meat will come out this side. And if you want to make homemade sausage, please take off the covers and put on the sausage stuffer. Twist the cover clockwise and put on the sausage casing in this side, and the mild meat will pour into the casing. You know, the best part is we also can use this to making cookies. Take off the covers, exchange to our cookie shaper. Choose the shape you want and twist the covers clockwise. Put the middle right on the holder and turn on the handle. The cookie will come out this side. And that's all. Hope you can enjoy your cooking, and thank you for watching.